I would like to mention certain key points to follow during debugging. These are very important to keep in mind before we start debugging any particular problem. Most important thing, check the requirement thoroughly before you do anything. That is the starting point. Know exactly what is the input and what is the expected output. In case the code or program is throwing any kind of error or exception, please read the error or exception message at least twice or thrice to get an idea of what is going on. And always navigate to the exact line where the exception has occurred. That would provide you a lot of clarity in understanding the root cause in most of the cases. Do not look for the fix immediately. Before you apply any sort of fix or perform any code change, try to understand why or how the error is occurred or the incorrect output was produced. Always keep in mind, root cause analysis is the most critical aspect of debugging. If you find the exact reason, half of the battle is won. Try to understand the logic fully, but now it is not always possible. Actually, if you have a very big code repository and you need to debug a particular problem, it's not always possible to understand it fully. But if it is not possible, at least at a high level, you should have some idea. Keep in mind scenarios where you can use conditional or exception breakpoints. This feature would reduce the debugging effort in many scenarios. Do not continue debugging for long hours. It's from my personal experience. If you are stuck for a long time, take a break and start fresh, but note down what you tried earlier so that you have a track. And finally, this is very, very important. Once you make the fix, test the code thoroughly to ensure that the fix that you have made yourself, it is not breaking anything else. That is all.